Right? There's news coming in on Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee accusing the Modi government. Mamata says, and I quote, centre's nefarious bid to destabilize West Bengal. She says the central forces are letting terrorists into the state of West Bengal. Centre's nefarious blueprint, BSF allowing terrorists to enter from Bangladesh to destabilize Bengal. Big charge against the centre. Mamata Banerjee in that talk there says the centre is trying deliberately to push infiltrators and terrorists, specifically mentioning the word terrorists, saying central forces are letting in terrorists into West Bengal so they destabilize the state of West Bengal. The centre's nefarious blueprint, BSF allowing terrorists to enter from Bangladesh to destabilize West Bengal.
এখানে গুন্ডা পাঠিয়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে, বর্ডার দিয়ে খুন করছে চলে যাচ্ছে, এই রকম লোক পাঠানো হচ্ছে। এটা বিএসএফ এর অনেক ভেতরকার কাজ। এর মধ্যে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের একটা ব্লুপ্রিন্ট আছে। কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের ব্লুপ্রিন্ট যদি না থাকতো এটা হতো না। আমি বারবার কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারকে বলেছি যে যা করবেন আপনারা সেটাই আমাদের পথ, কিন্তু আমি যদি দেখি আমার রাজ্যকে ডিস্টার্ব করবার জন্য জঙ্গি হানাকে কেউ মদত দিচ্ছেন, সেক্ষেত্রে তো আমাদের প্রতিবাদ করতেই হবে। সেই জন্য আমাদের প্রতিবাদ পত্র যাবে।
Let me cut across to Indrajit joining us for more on that. Indrajit, give us more on what grounds has Mamata Banerjee spoken. This is really a serious charge where she claims BSF is deliberately pushing terrorists from Bangladesh into West Bengal to destabilize the state.
Well, that's right. This is a big allegation, big charge by the West Bengal Chief Minister. In fact, it seems like the stated position of the ruling Trinamool Congress here. This morning we heard from Abhishek Banerjee squarely blaming the central government, which is in charge of manning India's border with external countries, other countries. And now West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee claiming at a time when BJP leaders are continuously targeting and attacking her government over the infiltration issue. Union Minister Giriraj Singh, who is in North 24 Parganas, of important crucial bordering district, he just a short while back slammed Mamata Banerjee government and Abhishek Banerjee over infiltration, saying that all those who are illegally entering India from Bangladesh, they have all become Trinamool Congress supporters and voters. In that backdrop, Mamata Banerjee right now holding a very crucial administrative meeting at her secretariat, and she has rebuked some of the bordering superintendent of police also for negligence, and she's squarely blamed the central government. She stated that this is a nefarious plan of the central government, and as part of that, the BSF is negligent on the border, and they're allowing infiltration of terrorists from across the border in Bangladesh to indulge in activities so that they can destabilize West Bengal. So this is a very serious charge. Mamata Banerjee has now stated that she's waiting for feedback and reports from her own administration and the police, and she's very soon going to write a stern, scathing letter to the central government over this entire issue. So Trinamool Congress government here squarely blaming the Modi government at the centre, saying that it is their failure to man the Indo-Bangladesh border, which is resulting in infiltration in West Bengal.
Now, well, at this point, we know that there's been a drive, in fact, a hectic search for Bangladeshi immigrants who are illegally staying in India. It's not just in West Bengal. In Delhi, too, there's been a drive where cops are trying to find illegal immigrants who may be settled in areas. So while this drive is on, where cops are seen at least diligently trying to drive out illegals, Mamata Banerjee is saying that this is a deliberate attempt to push them in to destabilize and defame the government of the day in West Bengal. What larger message does this send out? We know that Delhi is also running into elections now.
Well, absolutely. This has become a huge political and quite expectedly so, this has become a huge political hot potato in West Bengal. Remember, West Bengal shares a massive and porous border with Bangladesh. And, several of parts in this border, a few thousand-kilometer long border, is riverine. So it's very, very difficult to man those borders. The rivers keep changing their course. It's very difficult. There is no fencing in those parts of the border. And as one of the investigation by India today's special investigation team has shown from North Bengal, that it's difficult to man such borders, and therefore people keep coming in. In this backdrop, the BSF is very, very vigilant.
I'd request you to stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across to Priyanka Tibrewal of the BJP, joining us for more on that on the phone line. Priyanka, give us your take on Mamta Banerjee pointing fingers straight at the centre, saying security is their responsibility. BSF is deliberately pushing terrorists into our state of West Bengal to destabilize the state. So it's their responsibility. They aren't doing their job right.
Hi, Nabila. So Mamata Banerjee, you see, Nabila, she can't cover up her misdeeds by pointing fingers at the BSF. Now, this has been spoken on a number of occasions that the failure there is because all this infiltration is happening with the support of Mamata Banerjee. Why is she refusing? Why is she refusing to give the land which the state government is supposed to acquire and then give it to the BSF so that new fencing can be done? And there are certain posts there. There are around 60 to 70 points where BSF requires to do that fencing. But that can only be done once the state government. So Mamata Banerjee cannot cover her misdeeds. See, everybody knows, it is apparent that she is doing the politics over here, which is of appeasement. These particular class, which is coming from Bangladesh, these refugees, we have heard on a number of occasions, she has said that Rohingyas are also human beings. So these Rohingyas are human beings to her because they come down as a vote bank for TMC. Now, just because of that, she is ready to compromise on the security of the country. She is ready to compromise on whatever wrong is happening in West Bengal. You see, on a number of occasions, you are finding that people having links with the Jamaat and terrorist groups, they are found where in Bengal? Because this has been... And
all right. We seem to have lost her connection, but thanks very much, Priyanka, for joining us on that. Well, you have the BJP responding, saying that this infiltration happens in cahoots with the West Bengal government. Fingers pointed at one another. Bengal Chief Minister, in a very big statement, accuses the BSF, handled by the central government, the BJP, of deliberately pushing infiltrators and terrorists into the state of Bangladesh, into the state of West Bengal from Bangladesh to destabilize the state. In fact, Union Minister Giriraj has spoken on this. Let's hear it.
हंसी आती है कि बंगाल की सरकार रेड कारपेट बिछा दे बांग्लादेश के लिए और अभिषेक जी बांग्लादेशियों पर राजनीति करें। पहले उनको माफी मांगनी चाहिए बंगाल से और पूरे देश से ममता बनर्जी को। जिस ढंग से रेड कारपेट बिछा करके बांग्लादेशियों को आने के लिए छूट दे दी। कुछ साल पहले, पिछले 1-1.5 साल पहले उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे रहते कोई बांग्लादेशी को निकाल नहीं सकता।